Pretty beautiful. There's the van set up. The electric bikes back there. Pretty awesome, that little van. Class B. Works good. There's almost nobody here. Well, it's a beautiful spot. I suspect it's pretty hot. That's why there's not many people here. But it's heavily treed, so it's actually quite cool. We're just handheld here, by the way. Actually, I'll switch hands. This little trail heads over to the big river. It's an absolutely beautiful river. It's a bit too cold. Well, I was up to my knees yesterday, but I don't know if I could quite lay in it. It's pretty cold. It's all kinds of little entrance places. Holy, it's beautiful today. It's loud. It's a big river. I'll take you guys down there. I'll get off my bike and we'll hike down there and have a look. We got the summer clothes on. Whew. It's gonna be hot here. I think today's 35 Celsius is what they're saying. It's been over 40 if you can believe it, which is crazy for Canada. But in an hour or two, this is where we'll be. Laying in there, I hope. Wow. We got the super high-tech Amazon water shoes. They're just awesome. Oh, I see people in the river up there. Oh, maybe not. I'm not gonna go in yet because I don't want to get my feet wet. It's crazy. It's like this whole campsite is deserted. Let's go have a look. Surrounded by the most beautiful river you've ever seen. It's crazy. It's like a ghost town, honestly. And it's Saturday. Let's go have a look. Must have been an old bridge at one time across. This place is absolutely stunning. Just handheld, by the way. Surrounded by river is the cool part. I know this video is going to be getting long, you guys, but there's too much nice stuff to show you. Imagine having this area to yourself. This is a little steep. I might have to... Oh, electric bike for the win. Oh, love it. We got the Rocky Mountain today. Exploring some new trails I've never been on. Beautiful in here, wow. So let me know in the comments what you guys have been up to. I've been doing lots of exploring. It's been too hot to ride motorbikes, or it's not really enjoyable when it's that hot. Wow. Oh my gosh, beautiful in here, you guys. So there's the old Rocky Mountain. It's the old Rocky Mountain flat line. I just add the motor down there, the battery. Comes with a display. It's a kit you buy. Oh my gosh, it's nice in here, you guys. We're up near, kind of close to Revelstoke Provincial Park. Oh my gosh. It's down there. Looks like a lake or something. Must be part of the river. Holy, that's pretty steep. I don't know if I can get back up that one. Wow. Oh, let's scope it out. Cool. Let's go check it out. Crazy. Ooh, she's a little rickety. Creepy. Creepy. Holy. It's a bigger lake than I thought. Or that's a river. Oh yeah, that's moving water. That's huge ferns in here and massive trees. Look at the size of that. I think that's a cedar tree too. Lots of bugs too. Welcome to Canada. Yeah, it's definitely cool in here. Oh my gosh, look at the size of these. That's ridiculous. Those are big, big trees. This is one big tree I'm standing on. It's actually a hiking path. I had to lift my bike over this one, but I see there's some writing on there's a plaque over there, so let's go. Let's see what it says. Sorry about the camera angles, you guys. I got you on the chest mount, so it can be a little weird at times. Oh, it's a woodpecker thing. I thought it'd be telling me how big that tree was. Oh my gosh, Lord, loads of mosquitoes. Holy, these are big trees. I believe they're cedar trees. I believe we're headed back to the road now. I'm not 100% sure. Holy, look at these ferns. They're bigger, taller than I am. Wow. Uh-oh. Mud. Swampy. I gotta say, these ferns are cool, you guys. They're really tall. Swampy. Beautiful, you guys. I'd like to get in here with my CR250, but that probably wouldn't go over too well. Oh, maybe the electric, the Telaria would be fun. So nice and cool in here. Well, that's going to do it for me, you guys. Make sure you drop some comments. Let me know what you've been up to. Squash that button right there. I will see you guys on the next one. Brah, or zing. Wow.